Presenting a pre-owned 2005 Acura MDX Touring. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Acura has less than 237,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, DVD player, power sunroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows. Thank you for viewing our 2008 Chevy Equinox.